This video captures a heated standoff between unhoused residents and LAPD officers. The group demands answers, quoting legal codes and insisting that their presence is lawful. They express years of frustration, from mixed messages by officers to struggles with the VA in finding housing. Emotions run high as they argue about tents, dogs, and constant pressure to move. The entire encounter unfolds on camera, raw and unfiltered.
Today, the doctor. I don't know. He's home bound. Let me say.
Go on YouTube and you'll see the video that I taped the other day.
The unhoused officers out there. Because they've never even came out.
That's the report. We're the homeless.
Nobody's ever.
No, you're not. I don't believe you.
What's your name?
I don't believe you because if you were, you wouldn't be lying to us right now because you're lying about everything. No, we cannot take our side tent over there on the sidewalk because if we do block it, you're going to come out and say that. Even if we don't block it, you're going to come out and say that we are blocking it. I can guarantee you, yes, you are, because you've done it before. All of you have. Everybody that wears an LAPD badge has done it. We can't go out there. And you know why? Because you're stupid. You don't know what the law says. Those papers that you guys gave us with the penal code on it, that says that trespassing is not an arrestable offense unless we committed another crime. And our presence here is not a crime. So you cannot arrest us. It doesn't matter what Metro says. They need to take us to court. You need a court order from a judge. That's the law. That's what the law says. I already looked it up. I already looked it up. You need to do the same.
Them, but not us. I mean, I understand that it's very frustrating.
Because LAPD lies.
I've been on the street for 5 years.
Won't even get us to.
But everybody.
You won't even get him to. You won't even get him to.
Nobody gives a.
You won't get him the medical attention he needs. He needs to go to Phoenix, and you won't do it.
I won't go there.
What's wrong with LA? LA wants money.
You yelling at me. Can I listen to him?
No, I don't care.
Well, it would help because we actually have.
You know, it would help if you guys learn how to be
You guys
compassionate.
can't help because Officer Gutierrez did the same thing.
For 3 years.
With my military. And I'm still here.
Okay,
So
because we
now
have,
you what you
somebody.
gotta
That's what they do. They work with the Veterans Administration. We also have a veteran with us who served in the armed forces.
So, what's your problem? What's the
I've
point?
done all that
Trying to
paperwork
get you
too.
resources.
No, you're
I've done
not.
all that paperwork.
No, you're not.
So
You don't try to get us anything. All you do is what you're told.
Yes, I filled up auto
What'd they tell
paperwork.
you?
Nothing. Just lay out here for help.
how long ago was that?
About 2 months ago. I'm getting sick and tired of running around. One officer says it's okay. The other officer comes by and tells me I have to leave. I'm not bullshit. I'm not doing shit.
What branch?
Marine.
Yeah, whatever.
That was 4 years. I got out right before Desert Storm.
And VA.
I'm sick and tired of it. Fucking listen.
No, people don't know how to listen. There aren't any. My husband here has extremely serious skin cancer.
Alcohol, right?
And you have no place for us to be in the meantime, but right here where we are. Get a lawyer, get a judge. I'm serious. I already know the law. I've already looked it up. You guys need to do the same. Do your jobs. Look up what the law says. If you have any questions, use your phone. That's what it's for. I've looked it up. The penal codes you guys gave us, I looked them up. And unless you guys enforce the whole thing, you guys can't do shit to us.
We'll get a hold of you.
This is going on YouTube, so if you're lying, it's going to be for everybody to see.
I've already lost one dog. Yeah, that's what
Whatever.
the officers said in the
Whatever.
Walk right down the middle of the street. I don't care. No. That's what the other ones were. Then why haven't they been out here? I've been out here since October, and nobody has came up to our tent telling us to leave. Leave. No, just leave.
Sorry, what's your birthday called?
He already has it.
They already have it. They already have it?
Yeah, 227.
27 what?
67. McKelvey. McKelvie.
ELVIE.
Go on.
VIE. You guys like to just follow whatever laws you're told to follow instead of actually looking up what the law says. None of your business. Don't tell them the names of our dogs.
I am.
We don't want anybody coming around trying to take him again.
Now stop.
I don't trust his ass.
Eight barrel, chocolate, caramel, and angel. 2 hours.
Well, he got enough good.
Here helps us out. I can play trash. That bag of trash to the left here. My utter's full of
Housed people.
marijuana.
Right?
No. Security guard comes by here, the Metro Security. He comes by, gives us food. That's fine.
Right.
I asked him if we're safe right here. Yeah, you're safe right here.
Yeah.
Don't move.
So we talked to you guys. Go and put up sign.
No, you weren't even here.
Correct.
Don't even try.
But my guys can put up sign, correct?
I don't know.
About 2
Probably.
weeks ago?
No, put up one sign right there, which is also against the law because that's targeting unhoused people. That sign's supposed to be for everyone. That means
Sign that says transit please only.
It doesn't matter what the sign says. The paper one underneath it is a lie.
Once you set up, that's what I'm saying. If you guys want to stand here, that's fine. You can stand here and wait for Ali come to Ali.
No, we can't because you guys bitched at us when we did. We didn't buy this damn tent. It was given to us. God brought it to us.
Hey.
Hold on. And when we were sitting on the sidewalk, anywhere around here, all we got was bitched at from you, all of you, for being here in the first place. You're not on Metro. You're on Metro property and you're not conducting Metro business. You know what? The casinos aren't conducting Metro business either. Why are they allowed to come in here?
Hey guys, are you serious about the veteran stuff?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna have my clinician talk to you, okay? He's gonna make a phone call. And you're gonna talk to some operator. Like I told you, Lopez, he's a social worker, really good. Okay, he works veteran, 2 days top. If that's okay with you.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Is it 2 days okay right here then? Do we have to
Well, I
leave?
can't promise that yet.
Yeah, we can't promise you that, but if you work with us, right? If you want really housing, then we can kind of, make an exception.
You think this is fun? You think we enjoy being out here in the rain, in the cold?
I'm trying to help you, right?
Then of course we want housing.
Okay, cool. If you let me help you, it's
They
cool.
even fired the person over there
Then we
that
can
kicked
work
us
each
out.
other. We can work with each other,
They
right?
even fired
So
the
that's all I'm
person over there
asking. Some
that kicked us
cooperation,
out.
okay?
I have no problem cooperating.
Awesome. Let me.
Like I said, I know what the law says. I read it. Maybe you guys.
That paper's not ours. Okay.
Someone just left it here. Excuse me, Officer Marquez. Brings shame to my name.
Dave, get down.
Yeah. Tanya, get the dogs ready.
Why? Just because Marquez says so? You're asking me. You're asking me to hurt my dogs even more. You're asking me to hurt my dogs even more.
No, you know what? You
Yes,
tell
you
me
are.
to do stuff. You ask me, you tell me to do stuff. When I tell you to do stuff, you get like this. Now get the goddamn dogs ready. Get the harnesses on.
He brings shame upon my name.
What?
I'm not bringing. No, not until they leave. Once
No,
LAPD
they're not.
leaves, then
No.
I'm gonna stop recording.
No,
I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna stop recording.
Then I'm not going to do anything like you asked me to.
I'm not gonna stop recording.
Then I'm not going to do anything.
They want me to stop recording.
No, I am not trying.
They want me to get the dogs together. Then they can leave. Then you can leave. Because as long as you're here by my tent, I'm not gonna stop.
We're gonna wait by our car and let you get ready, okay? Is that fair? Never do. We'll wait by that car right over there. Get the dog ready, okay?
Nothing is fair. So stop asking me that question. That's a question. No. If anything was fair, we wouldn't be here and I wouldn't know you. And I wouldn't know what you brought upon the name Marquez. Because that's my maiden name. You and your asshole name. Shit.
As the tension peaks, one officer offers to connect the group with a social worker, promising help within 2 days if they cooperate. The residents hesitate, torn between protecting their space and seeking a way off the street. The video ends with anger, pain, and a demand for dignity, leaving viewers wondering if real help will come or if this cycle will continue again tomorrow. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.